This is Jody from Made by Jody 666. Thanks for joining. Today we're making a Deadffodil flower. I used a 3.5mm hook and a medium weight yarn. You can use any yarn and hook combo you like. We want to start with a magic circle and then single crochet 6 times inside the magic circle. Pull the tail tight to close the circle. Complete 2 single crochet in each stitch. That will give us 12 stitches in total. The next round is worked in the back loop only. We want to single crochet in the first stitch and 2 single crochet in the next. Complete this 5 more times and you'll have 18 stitches in total. Next we're starting the petals, and we start each petal with a slip stitch to the next stitch and a chain 2. Followed by a double crochet and a triple crochet in the same stitch. In the next stitch, complete 2 triple crochets and a picot. In this case, a picot is chain 2, slip stitch to the second chain from the hook. Then complete a 3rd triple crochet in that same stitch. Next is triple crochet, double crochet, chain 2 and slip stitch to the same stitch. One more time, it's a slip stitch to the next stitch, chain 2, double crochet, triple crochet, two triple crochets, then a picot and a triple crochet all in the same stitch. Lastly, a triple crochet and a double crochet, chain 2 and slip stitch to the same stitch. Repeat this 4 more times to finish all the petals. Attach black yarn to the unworked front loops of round 3. Complete 12 single crochets. Two more rounds of 12 single crochets each. Fasten off the black and weave in your ends. You've just made a Deadffodil flower. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Fuck off.